Businesses face challenges when your CRM platform and online community lack integration. This leads to inefficient support delivery, creating hurdles for optimal customer service. The lack of connection between your CRM system and your online community can result in poor case management, suboptimal support delivery, low productivity. And that's where integration powered by KaseSync Case Connector comes into play. By seamlessly connecting your CRM and community platform, you can enhance efficiency, reduce errors, promote cross-team collaboration. But why stop? Explore integrating your community and CRM for a cohesive workflow. Imagine seamless connections between support teams and customers. Integration boosts productivity, ROI, and delivers a stellar customer experience, transforming success. Our eBook, The Definitive Guide to Community CRM Integration, covers best practices to optimize support delivery in your organization powered by KaseSync. Explore peak business performance, exceptional customer support, and streamlined workflow integration in our insightful eBook, complete with visual demonstrations. Scan the QR code to download our ebook to gain more insights.